Hello, I'm here over in Maryland Heights with a customer who called and wanted some information. As you can see, they've had repair companies out here to repair their home. As you can see the crack in the foundation, you can see where they try to fix the wall. These homes were built in 1973. It's built on fill soil. They've had several companies come out to repair, and the repair is not working. I asked them what they did. They explained to me. I advised them to try to get a hold of a company that does helical piering and underpin and helical piering the foundation wall. Remove the weeping tile on the outside, add in new weeping tile inside, new sump pump, external discharge away from the house, at least 10 feet out on a slope of 5 degrees for the first 10 feet out, which is about 6-inch drop. Thank you. Oh, and they got a little bit of flashing damage up there, but they really wanted to know about that. Again, this is Roy Poteet, Three Rivers Inspections, 636-448-7078. Thank you. Bye.